Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI. If you are ready to have a constantly warm beverage, a beverage that does not turn cold after you leaving it for an hour or two, then you need to get yourself one of these hot beverage warmers. This is by House Gem, and I have really loved using it. So for some reason, I always forget to drink my full cup of coffee or tea, and by the time I remember, it's always cold. So whether you work in an office or you are at home and you do the same as I do and forget about your beverage, it's great just to leave it on this warmer.
There are 3 different temperature levels which you can use depending on how hot you like your beverage to be. I personally like the lowest temperature, which keeps my drink really warm without being steaming hot. I also love that there's an automatic shutoff with a timer that increases by 2-hour increments, so you don't have to worry about walking away and forgetting to turn this warmer off.
And then it also has 3 beautiful lights depending on the temperature setting that you leave it on. I find the design to be really attractive, appealing to the eyes. It is beautiful in any part of your home or in your office, and I have really enjoyed using this one. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And that is my point of view.